10 effective fitness routines to boost your health, transform your body and mind. Are you ready to transform your body and improve your overall health? Incorporating a variety of fitness routines into your lifestyle can help you achieve your fitness goals, enhance your mental well-being, and boost your energy levels. Here are 10 highly effective fitness routines, each with its unique benefits, that will keep you motivated and on track. 1. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. HIIT is a powerful workout method that involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief periods of rest. This training style is incredibly effective for burning fat, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting your metabolism. Research indicates that HIIT can burn more calories in less time compared to traditional cardio exercises. Example HIIT workout. 30 seconds of sprinting. 30 seconds of walking. Repeat for 20 minutes. Benefits. Burns a high number of calories in a short period. Improves cardiovascular health. Increases metabolic rate. 2. Strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves exercises that improve muscle strength and endurance by using weights, resistance bands, or body weight. This type of exercise is essential for building muscle mass, enhancing bone density, and boosting metabolic rate, which aids in weight management. Key strength training exercises: squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows. Benefits. Builds muscle mass, increases strength and endurance, enhances metabolic rate. 3. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to enhance flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. It's an excellent practice for reducing stress, improving relaxation, and promoting overall well-being. Different styles of yoga can cater to various fitness levels and goals. Popular yoga styles. Hatha yoga. Great for beginners focusing on basic postures and breathing. Vinyasa yoga. Involves a flow of movements synchronized with breath. Ashtanga yoga. A more rigorous style involving a set sequence of postures. Yin yoga. Focuses on deep stretching and relaxation. Benefits. Improves flexibility and balance. Reduces stress and anxiety. Enhances mental clarity. 4. Pilates. Pilates is a form of low-impact exercise that emphasizes core strength, flexibility, and alignment. It focuses on controlled movements and proper breathing techniques, making it ideal for improving posture and overall body awareness. Core Pilates exercises. The 100. Roll up. Leg circles. Plank. Benefits. Strengthens core muscles. Improves posture and alignment. Enhances flexibility and balance. 5. Running or jogging. Running and jogging are simple yet effective cardiovascular exercises that improve heart health, burn calories, and increase endurance. Whether you prefer the outdoors or a treadmill, incorporating running or jogging into your routine can significantly boost your fitness levels. Training tips. Warm up with a brisk walk. Gradually increase your pace. Include interval training for variety and intensity. Benefits. Improves cardiovascular health. Burns calories and aids in weight management. Increases endurance and stamina. 6. Cycling. Cycling, whether on a stationary bike or outdoors, is a low-impact exercise that builds leg strength and cardiovascular fitness. It's also a fun way to explore new places and enjoy the scenery while getting a great workout. Cycling workouts. Hill climbs. Build leg strength and endurance. Sprint intervals. Improve speed and cardiovascular fitness. Long, steady rides. Enhance overall endurance and stamina. Benefits. Builds leg strength and muscle tone. Improves cardiovascular health. Low impact on joints. 7. Swimming. Swimming is a full-body workout that's gentle on the joints and great for cardiovascular health. It engages multiple muscle groups and improves endurance. Plus, swimming can be very refreshing and enjoyable. Swimming strokes. Freestyle. Fast and efficient for full-body workout. Breaststroke. Good for building chest and arm strength. Backstroke. Helps improve posture and back strength. Butterfly. Challenging stroke that builds upper body strength. Benefits. Full body workout. Low impact on joints. Improves cardiovascular and muscular endurance. 8. Dance workouts. Dance workouts are a fun and energetic way to stay fit. They improve cardiovascular health, coordination, and flexibility. Dance classes like Zumba or hip-hop dance can make exercise feel like a party. Popular dance styles. Zumba, a blend of Latin and international music with dance moves. Hip-hop, high-energy dance style that improves agility and coordination. Salsa, combines rhythmic movements with cardiovascular benefits. Ballet fitness, incorporates ballet techniques for strength and flexibility. Benefits. Fun and engaging. Improves cardiovascular health. Enhances coordination and flexibility. 9. Walking. Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise. It's effective for improving cardiovascular health, boosting mood, and enhancing overall fitness. Walking can be easily incorporated into your daily routine and is suitable for all fitness levels. Walking tips. Maintain a brisk pace for maximum benefits. Use proper walking shoes to prevent injury. Explore different routes to keep your walks interesting. Benefits. Easy and low impact. Improves cardiovascular health. Boosts mood and mental well-being. 10. Circuit training. Circuit training involves performing a series of exercises in quick succession with minimal rest in between. This type of workout combines strength training and cardio, making it efficient and effective for building strength, endurance, and burning calories. Example circuit. Push-ups. Squats. Burpees. Jumping jacks. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat the circuit 3-4 times. Benefits. Combines strength and cardio. Efficient full body workout. Builds strength and endurance. Implementing these routines. To maximize the benefits of these fitness routines, create a balanced workout schedule that includes a mix of cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility training. Aim to exercise at least 3-5 times per week, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and listen to your body to avoid injuries. Consistency is key, so find routines that you enjoy and can stick with long term. By embracing these diverse fitness routines, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, fitter, and more energetic you. Start today and enjoy the transformative benefits of a consistent and varied fitness regimen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, there's a fitness routine here for everyone. Stay motivated, and take the first step towards a better you.